charming 3-bedroom, 3-bath brick pool home situated on a 0.34 acre cul-de-sac lot, featuring an impressive total 6-car garage spaces / workshop measuring 26 x 36, a dream space for hobbyists, collectors, or anyone needing extensive storage and workspace. 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths downstairs and 1 bedroom and 1 full bath upstairs with flex space. The flexible upstairs bonus area is ideal for a media room, office, guest retreat, or potential 4th bedroom. Inside, the home offers a fresh, modern feel with updated kitchen with quartz counters, double oven and cooktop. The backyard backs to a peaceful wooded area, providing privacy and a serene, country-like atmosphere while still being conveniently located within city limits. Enjoy the freedom of no HOA. Sip your morning coffee overlooking your sparkling pool and screened outdoor area. Roof 2023, HVAC 2020.